Let's look at how Corkboard Concepts uses free tools for competitive intelligence. Two of the largest advertising platforms out there have been pushing for a heightened level of ad transparency. For consumers, this brings an added level of protection and understanding to who is targeting you and why. For advertisers, however, this means that you're able to more easily peek under the hood of competitors' advertising strategy. So let's dive in. The first is through Google's new policy of ad verification. Google started pushing this a little over a year ago and is going to require all advertisers to do this by the end of the year. This added level of ad verification requires advertisers to go in and tell them a little bit about them, verify that through some documents, and provide that for users to see. If we go over here, you could take a look and see a quick Google search here, and then different paid ads that you'll see. Now, simply to see the ad verification, you just go over here to the three dots. For instance, we have Carvana, and you'll see information about the ad right here. So this is what comes from the Google ad verification directly. However, one additional item, aside from just who's targeting you and what they're targeting you for, you can actually come right down here and you can see more ads by this advertiser. So again, here is the information on who Carvana is, and they're verified and based in the United States. You can see some of the different ads that they have running here. Okay, you can see the different vehicles that they're pushing, and you can keep scrolling through. So this will tell you all of the paid search ads. One of the other interesting things that you can see is the different text ads, image ads. So you can see what is being run on display campaigns. Then you can also go over here and see what's being run on video and YouTube advertising as well. So within this one platform, you get insight into 3 different areas that your competitor is running ads on. All right, so after Google Ads verification and the competitive insights that you can get here, let's jump over to the second largest advertising platform digitally, and that's Facebook. Between Facebook and Google, they account for just over 50% of all advertising dollars placed digitally. So these two platforms are really massive whenever it comes to competitive insights. So the next tool that we're looking at, though, is the Facebook ad library. Again, this is another offshoot of the ad transparency in having a little bit more visibility behind who is targeting and what they're targeting you for. There's 2 different ways that you can get to this. The first, we can go over here to the Carvana Facebook page, and you just go to any advertiser that you'd be interested in finding out more information on. You can go ahead and scroll down here, and then on the left-hand side, you'll see this over here. So you'll see page transparency, and you can hit see all. Okay, that's going to take you to the ad library over here eventually, but the other way to do it is just go to the Facebook ad library, and then you'll see this here. So you just go down here to all ads, and then we can search Carvana here. Again, this top portion here is going to give us the page level transparency that we're looking for. You can find out how many times they've changed the name and any information when it started and who all manages the page. Okay, you can go ahead and scroll down here though, and you can start to see the different ads that they're running and the dates in which they started it. This is the turnover of the month. So you can see here in May, they've already launched 5 new ads. Gives you a little bit of insight on the direction that they're going with their new the new creative approach, which is this kind of circular ad here with the bubbles over top of it. Pretty interesting. And then you scroll down here and you can start to see some older ones. These are the April ads that they still have running. A lot more vehicle focused on inventory and more square items here. Okay. Now with a large company like Carvana, we see a lot of recent ads. You know, we see a lot of new ads coming into May. However, on a competitor that might not be as large or as fast as Carvana, you're able to see a little bit more in terms of how old some of the ads that they have that are running, and that provides you another level of insight into, how quickly your competitors are moving, or rather how quickly they're not moving, and it allows you to be the quicker mover in that instance. So again, these are two tools here that are going to cover about half of all of the media spend digitally. They're going to come straight from the source, unlike some other research tools that are out there that are going to provide you with great information like SEMrush and others. However, those are third parties. They're not direct from the source like these are. So hope this helps, and hope this works into your next advertising strategy.